Hello everyone, this is Santhej Kallada from Kallada Academy. So today in this video, I'll show you how you can actually generate unlimited number of post ideas using ChatGPT. So you can use either GPT 3.5 or GPT 4, but I would always suggest try to use GPT 4 as long as you're having a ChatGPT Plus subscription. So let us get started. So for this, I have a prompt with me. So this is something that I discovered through Reddit. So just give me a second. Let me just paste the prompt here. So here is the prompt. Yeah, I'm going to train you to become an endless idea generation machine. Here is how it works. There are four types of ideas we can generate. The four types of ideas are actionable, analytical, aspirational, and anthropological. And for each idea, again, there are sub ideas. So we are actually telling ChatGPT to generate ideas in these categories. So as an input, you should give a topic, audience, and the output that audience desires. Okay. So see here. So ChatGPT has replied, yes, I understand the task. Please provide the topic, target audience, and the desired outcome to generate the headlines. Wonderful. So the topic would be, I'll just give it as a sample. How marketers can use AI to get better ROI in their marketing efforts. So that's the topic. Then target audience. Working professionals in marketing industry. Then the outcome. Outcome is almost the same as the topic. Saving time and increasing productivity. Saving time and increasing productivity on their marketing efforts. So these are the three inputs we should give. So let's give that. So as you can see, ChatGPT is generating all kind of under actionable. If it is a tip type post, so 10 quick tips to leverage AI for boosting marketing ROI. Then tools, best AI tools to amplify your marketing efforts. Hacks, AI hacks, improve your marketing ROI in no time. Framework, powerful frameworks for implementing AI in your marketing strategy. Then here, trending AI applications in marketing, by the numbers, how AI is driving marketing ROI. Then personal stories, yeah, from struggles to success, a marketer's journey with AI. Then all these are actually good. Now, once ChatGPT has given you all these ideas, then maybe you can ask it to generate a post. So maybe we'll ask it to create a LinkedIn post. So here is what: act as a LinkedIn branding consultant and create a post on. I'll choose from any of this. So 5 reasons why AI can skyrocket your marketing ROI. First one, I'll tell, please use simple language. Please do not use complex words, because ChatGPT has a tendency to use all these kind of complex words. So I always mention it in my prompts. So this looks okay. And if you want, you can also ask it to write it in the tone of any expert marketers. Maybe write this post in the tone of Russell Brunson, or write this post in the tone of maybe Seth Godin. So you can give that as well. So for now, I won't be giving that. I'll just click enter. Oh, perfect. So as you can see, ChatGPT is generating a very good prompt, very good LinkedIn post for me. And again, I would never ever recommend copy pasting whatever output ChatGPT is giving you and posting it in your LinkedIn profile. It won't be enough. I would say that take it as a starting point. Then always make your own edits and only then put it in your LinkedIn profile. Because if you copy paste like this and put it in your LinkedIn profile, it will seem as if it is AI generated. So make some modifications from your end and only then post it in your LinkedIn profile. So I'll be giving a link to this particular prompt in under this video as well. So if you have any doubts, just drop it in the comment section below. Thank you.